How to change or replace the battery in a 2025 Peugeot 208 key fob. It's really simple. All you need is the replacement 2032 battery. I'll put a link down below if you don't have it. And then like a little flathead screwdriver. And it's super simple. All we're gonna do, there's this side, we're gonna flip it over. We have the Peugeot symbol here. Down at the bottom here, we're just going to put our flathead screwdriver and we wanna pop this piece off here. So we're gonna put the screwdriver here and just pop this off right like this. Once we pop that open, we can just kind of pull it the rest of the way by hand, and that will reveal the battery. Now, the battery's like seated in here, so to get it out, we want to come in here with our screwdriver and kind of press it down, and when we press it down, we'll be able to pop it out. Once we do that, we're gonna come in with our new battery, plus side up, 2032, CR 2032, and then kind of seat it in. There's a lip here, so we wanna get it under this lip, and seat it in there. And then all we need to do is put this down like this, pop it back on, and you're done.